Banished facility up ahead. Looks like a mining operation. That must be the dig site the Spartan was talking about. What are the Banished doing here?
They are doing exactly what they've been doing since they got here. Scavenging. Tearing everything apart to fuel this war.
How could they? They're ruining this place, and for what?
To win.
That already happened.
It's kinda quiet, isn't it? There. That tunnel. The Banished must already be down below. This should be impossible. Forerunner alloy is almost indestructible. What do you think they... Chief! I guess you need to deal with that mining laser. Oh, and these guys. It looks like the laser's controlled up in the central structure.
Chief, the scanner just lit up. It was a trap. I knew it was a trap. What do I do?
Hold position. I've got this.
I'll take you.
I think he's in there! Tossing fire!
Not while we've got enemies to deal with. Looks like the laser controls are by that window. Just give me a sec. Something's wrong. I can't shut it down.
Then we destroy it.
Way ahead of you. There are 2 power regulators down there. All we need to do is manually expose each regulator's cooling pylon to trigger a cascade effect. And by we, I mean you. And by trigger, I mean shoot or blow up. You get the idea.
shot. I am strong, stronger than you. Biggest bounty. Just about one good shot. All it takes. Get this now.
Now let's head back up and deal with the laser.
Compromised. Do not allow them access to the Conservatory. Francis, you have your orders. Spartan's not so tough, I think. Break open easy. Soft inside.
Chief?
I see him.
I'll bury you in a hole. From the hand.
Didn't think we were gonna make it back there. Let's deal with the laser. You've done your part, now for mine. Watch this.
Is there a problem?
Of course not. Let's see what's down there. That laser was modified very recently to cut into the ring.
Modified? By who?
Definitely not by Bassus back there. The formula is very sophisticated. Whoever made the change, they didn't just modify the Forerunner architecture, they improved it. Oh, and there are a lot of Banished in the Conservatory. They've been down there for days. We are walking into another trap.
And you left that till last?
Are you scared?
No. You?
Of course not. I've got you to keep me alive. Oh, and 63 millimeters of titanium alloy wrapped around our neural interface. I'll be fine.
Good to know.
Welcome to the Conservatory. I wonder what the Banished are looking for down here.
Let's go find out.
Another Spartan. Get me close. A drop wall module, deployable cover. Resilient, but temporary. Scan complete. This is Spartan Vidrana Makovich. Armor's been offline for 13 days. Cause of death is
What?
an enhanced energy blade, same as Spartan Stone. There's a pattern emerging. Chief, who's doing this?
We're going to find out.
Glory to the Vanish! That's to you!
I will tear them!
I want it!
An ally has fallen!
Human! Shoot, hero! Hero die! We knew! Human! I
looks like the Banished are trying to stop us moving forward.
Can you open it?
Of course. If you can magic up a terminal of some kind. Or find an alternative power source to get this door open. There we go. Simple.
Ambush!
He scared the jack.
Right here! Hunt now!
You can't hide from the panic.
It needs more power. Find another one. go before they get really creative. Wait. Do you hear that? It's coming from up...
Open it.
Help me! This installation, the Harbinger, exile was absolute. How did she return? It's impossible. This cannot be. I need to go back. Find out what happened.
We should help her.
Maybe.
No, she's correct. I request your assistance.
Who are you? What's your name?
I am Despondent Pyre, monitor of this installation, and this is my conservatory. My conservatory. This is not right. Perhaps you would... Oh no!
Let's go.
Where?
Down there.
What were those flying things?
New. Dangerous.
And Despondent Pyre?
New. Potentially dangerous.
See, you can be optimistic.
Stand your ground!
We're getting close to the bottom. Wait, listen.
Please, do not do this. It cannot happen. It is wrong.
More shooting! Attack this! Death comes, watch him bleed! Clear out! Incoming! Armor's breaking! Mistake! The honor of killing will be mine! half of your trick. Spotted the human. No! He's killing brutes. Bring me along. Shoot. Go. Gun turn hand. Dead
This ring must not be compromised.
You do not understand what you're hiding, what you are, what compromise means.
I will not relinquish to you the location. The Endless can never return.
We are blameless. The Forerunner set this in motion. I am ending it.
Oh no, we're too late. Something awful happened here. Plug me in. We'll figure this out. You know what I want.
Alas, I do, Cortana, and my mind has not been changed. This installation's weapons may be yours, but its secrets are not. It's protected, the containment facility in particular.
Containment? The Flood? Why would I... You and I both know that there are worse things than the Flood within this ring.
No, there's no way you could know.
So you've come for me at last. Why are you doing this, John? Why don't you understand?
The seal must not be broken. The punished cannot be freed. This can never be negotiated. There is no other choice.
Reconsider.
The consequences of your request...
Back to your conservatory, monitor. What does that mean? What could be worse than the Flood?
Nothing good. Find us a way out.
On it. Remember when you said new and dangerous?
Uh-huh.
You were right. Hostile reinforcements inbound. This is taking longer than I thought. Something is taking control of local systems. Where are all these skimmers coming from?
Is that what we're calling them?
Well, I was also considering flying octopus monkeys.
Skimmers it is, then. The door.
I know! The code is being rewritten, altered using a Forerunner routine. Chief, enemy reinforcements.
Has come. I've got him covered. Go now. You will get stuck.
I'm done! Come get me!
What happened back there?
When I interfaced with the cradle, it unlocked something. Something important. Cortana was here 6 months ago. I could feel what she felt when you arrived. It was joy, fear, and pain. Chief, is that another... something big? A thruster module. Evasive maneuvers on demand. Now then, who are you? Scan complete. Spartan Theodore Sorrell, special weapons expert. Died 13 days ago, like Makovich.
The assassin.
Brutes. More than one. Whoever they are, they're proficient, well-trained.
We've got a score to settle.
You are mine! You mean I'm under attack?
Chief, that platform! We're too late!
Not yet. Harder.
The Forerunner's lies are at an end. I am the harbinger of the truth. The Endless will be found. They will ascend.
Now would be good.
I know, I know! 3,
The Reformation begins.
2, 1, go!